So the next card storage box that we have is this card storage box from UAONO. And so on the side here, we have a way to place top loader cards from the top, and then the actual top removes completely off. So this is pretty convenient because as someone who's used card storage boxes before, if the top doesn't come off, you can see how much room that it actually takes. And this actually has bothered me before with other card storage boxes where if this wasn't detachable from the card storage box that you see here, it would occupy a lot of room. So what you can essentially do is that you can just place this on top and it does save a lot of space. And you close it up like that and it holds up like that. So a really neat way. This holds around 2,400 cards. You've got the colored dividers, which is a staple. And then you've got this, which only includes, I believe, 3 when I count it. So you have 1, 2, 3. I wish it included more dividers because you are going to need them. I'd say for each of the rows within my card storage box, I use about 1 to 2. But this is what I was talking about as far as holding top loaders. I don't think this is a key feature to kind of display top loaders here, but it does make the card storage box look cool. But overall, I'd say it's a nice, neat card storage box. I definitely wouldn't travel with it. It's not the most secure top, but if you can figure out a way to display the cards up here and then also just keep it in one place, I think this does the trick though. So overall, great card storage box. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one.